The best diet for your body type. There are hundreds of diets that people can follow to meet their needs and help them lose weight. But one thing remains true of all diets: they must be personalized in order to work effectively. What is right for you may be completely wrong for someone else. If you're wondering which diet is right for your body type, keep reading to find out what kind of diet will help you lose weight easily and keep it off. Diets are not created equal. Some are better suited to your body type, and thus will help you lose weight better than others. The easiest way to determine which diet will best suit your body type is to take a look at what foods your body reacts best to. For example, do you find yourself easily gaining weight despite healthy eating? If so, you may be an in-between, someone with a high metabolism who burns calories easily and finds it difficult to pack on pounds. Which diet should I choose? There is no one-size-fits-all diet plan. Whether you're trying to lose weight, gain muscle mass, or maintain a healthy lifestyle, there are multiple approaches to eating and exercise that can help you achieve your goals regardless of your body type. Work with a doctor who specializes in nutrition and has experience working with body types such as endocrinologists or bariatricians. They will be able to recommend diets based on your specific needs and goals. How to eat according to your body type. People often see food and diet in black and white terms when it comes to nutrition. However, there is no one-size-fits-all approach to eating that can work for everyone. It is important to eat healthily, but people differ in what constitutes a healthy diet for their body type. If you need help figuring out how to eat according to your body type, here are some guidelines on what kind of diet you should follow based on your physical characteristics and natural tendencies. List of diets. There are dozens of diets out there promising different results depending on your body type and goals. Some may be more effective than others. Explore some of these common diets and determine which one is right for you.